If you want to silence your OnePlus 15R, you have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can open settings, then in here choose sound and vibration, and then at the top over here, as you can see, we can choose between the ring mode and the silent mode, and also the vibrate mode. So if you want to silence your phone, you can choose the silent mode in here. Besides that, you can also go to the control center or quick settings, and in this place, at least by default, we can also find the silent mode, so you can toggle it quite easily, or of course you can turn it off and go to use select the ring mode essentially. And last but not least, you can also use the plus key that we have on the left side in order to toggle between all of these different modes. But first we have to set it up in settings. So if we go to settings again and then choose the plus key option, then over here you can select sound and vibration and set it up. So then you should be able to just press and hold the plus key in order to toggle the ring mode, vibrate, or silent mode in case you want to silence your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.